but I want to talk about something that I find really good. Could you go to this camera overhead? Because I want to show a magic button here, and that is Rendezvous. I think Rendezvous is one of those best kept secrets about Wirecast because now you can bring anyone into your show from their device. So basically, you send a rendezvous code to your guest, and he can put it in with his Android or his iPhone. He hits the button, and boom, it's in the show. When we were running remote, when we couldn't have the studio open, we were running Wirecast gear. Adam was running it for his house, and I was coming in via Rendezvous. Glenn was coming in through Texas via Rendezvous. We brought other people in via Rendezvous, and I was just real impressed that it got the job done. It was stable. We had sync. I know it's gotten a bad rep in the past, and I think it wasn't 100%, plus maybe the computers weren't up to it. But running on the Wirecast gear, Rendezvous is a great way to bring in remote guests, and there's nothing easier because they don't have to launch anything other than click the button to join the Rendezvous.
That's exactly it. I mean, it's as easy as that for the guests, especially with everyone trying to download Zoom and download these things. They're simply clicking the link and joining the Rendezvous session. It's awesome.
Exactly. Now,